2, 3. 1, 2, 3. $3. What's going on, world? Ainsley here, and I just want to talk about how you can get $3 a day for free online. $3 a day for free online. And I know some of y'all probably say $3 ain't nothing. I can't do nothing with that. But $3 can go a long way within a day. You get, let's see, you can get a cup of coffee, and if you're on a budget, you can get like a sandwich and a fry or something like that. But even if you look at it, $3 a day, if you do it 30 days within a month, $3 a day, that's almost what, $99 a month? Say $100. Push it, you know, $3 a day. So we're gonna go into this computer real quick. I'm gonna show you my computer, and I'm gonna go this website that I came across, and you'll be able to do $3 a day or more, whatever you want to do. But on the average, I just do like $3 a day. I take some time out of my schedule, you know, work it real quick, do $3 a day, some extra cash flow, you know, do whatever, get some extra food, gas, pay a bill, whatever like that. So right now I'm gonna go inside this computer. So let's go inside. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yes, bro, so what's up? Welcome back. Now we're inside the computer, and we're gonna look at this website right here and how you can earn $3 a day. That's right, how you can earn $3 a day from this free website. And this website is called Prize Rebel. And right now, these are different things that you can do. Right now, I'm in the video section because I do these like daily. So like once I come home or something like that, and I got some free time, what I do is in this section right here, it's so many different ways that you can earn by just watching videos. And these are what they got: S'mores TV, they got different kind of travel videos, they got Engage Me TV. What else? Let's see. So I would just go in here and I click on one of these, and I just start watching videos. And like you see right here is one of the tabs that's already going. Special friendships, so the video's playing over here, and I'm earning while the video's playing. And I'm gonna go back to Prize Rebel, and right here in Prize Rebel have the different ways of earning. So as you can see, you got surveys, you got offer walls, you got Hyper MX daily points, like different tasks you can do, different questions, just different things that you can do with that one. You got video walls, that's the one I was just in. And you also got Engage Me videos. This is another video platform that you can watch videos and earn as well. And then you also have tasks, you know, doing different tasks, like virtual assistant tasks, but like miniature tasks where you can also earn from those things. And you just have to log on, click the link below. I have the link in the description, or you can go to Prize Rebel yourself and link up. But I go to the link in the description. You also earn some extra points, and I give you some bonus on how I earn extra points with this as well. So like now you can see my points right now, it's at 48.69. I didn't cash out for this month yet. And what is the 24th? The 24th of August. So you know, I didn't do it every day, but I probably like double up so I can show you guys how you can get to the 60 points. The 60 points is like not 60 points, 6,000 points is basically like $60. So let's see, click out of that, sorry about that. So once again, this is Prize Rebel. You come in the inside and you just click around, you know, go to the different rewards thing. They got different rewards. You can win different things, raffles, lucky numbers. You just like click numbers. You can invite your friends. And once again, it's just different ways of earning. You go into the survey. I'm going in the survey tabs. I'm gonna do some more videos of how you can earn too, and how I double up on some of it. But you can go into the survey tabs, and it gives you a list of surveys. So these are different kind of surveys. You see, a lot of different surveys, and tell you how much time it should take you to do the surveys and how much points. So this is 138 points. Basically, like that's like $1.38. Sometimes they give you even more bonus points and things like that. So you do this daily, do a couple of them, do 3, 4 of them. It adds up, you know. That's how you can get $3 a day earning right there online. So that's a way right there that you can earn, you know, how you can earn $3 a day with Prize Rebel. You can even earn more if you decide to like double up and crunch out the numbers and, you know, get on your grind. So once again, hope you got some value. Please like and share and comment, and I'll see you. Yes, y'all. So that's one of the ways of which I can earn, or you can also earn extra $3 a day for free online using this free website. So once again, my name is Ainsley Dawkins. Please like, comment, and share. Hope you get some value out of this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.